Hey guys, welcome back to another short and sweet eye tutorial. I'm using some new Colourpop goodies, starting with the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette, taking this light peach shade into the crease, using it as my base transition shade. Next, I'll be taking this light brown shade and building that up in the crease as well. I like to also go in with a clean fluffy brush in between colors. I feel like it helps blend it together better. Then with a smaller Wet n Wild fluffy brush, I'm going to dip into that brick reddish brown shade and I'm building that up on the outer corner and the crease a little bit and going in with a clean brush in between and blending, because you don't want to just spread that color everywhere. You want to go in with a clean brush and that'll help get you a more seamless blend. With this denser shader brush, I'm going into this purpley brown and building that up on the outer corner. Next, I'll be taking the Colourpop Supernova shadow. This is in Moonlit, and I took a brush just to get a more precise application. You can apply it with the applicator and then go in with a brush just to detail the crease. I did sort of a half cut crease with the glitter, and for any excess product that gets above the crease, I just used a fluffy brush and it flakes right off. Going back into that dark shade, I'm going to deepen up the outer corner a little bit more. And then I'm going to take the reddish brown and use that on my lower lash line and take it a little bit into the crease as well. And back to that dark color again, I'm applying it to the lower lash line, trying to keep it more on the outer corner. Then I'm just going to pop some white liner in my waterline. I like to do this with darker or smokier looks just to open up the eyes a little bit and brighten them. I went ahead and popped on some lashes off camera, and then I'm going to go into this minty silvery shade and use that as my inner corner highlight. Now I'm just adding a little bit of mascara to blend my natural lashes with the falsies, and I already had lip liner on, so I'm just going to add some Fentybeauty Gloss Balm on top. I'll have all the products I used listed in the description box below, but that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.